Hi, my name is Julie, and this is my IDEA video. IDEA is the Education Act that ensures services in special education to children with disabilities from birth to the time of high school graduation. According to LD Online, some of the concepts that were created due to the Individual with Disabilities Education Act to allow all students an equal education is, first, an IEP. This is an individualized educational program. This is the document that teachers must adhere to. Second, FAPE, which means Free Appropriate Public Education. This allows students with a disability to get free services related to their education. And the last is LRE. This means a least and restrictive environment. Students are educated alongside peers when appropriate. My current teaching experiences is working with adults in a day program from ages 22 and older. IDEA does not affect me in this capacity. However, the program director, myself, and all the other teachers strive to meet the needs of our students. For example, we have a student that is blind, and we have a software program, which is a mid-tech assistive device, so he can access the computer, which is a high-tech assistive device. I also use low-tech assistive devices such as manipulatives to help the students learn their math skills. What I will do differently based on what I have learned is I want to build up my toolbox of assistive technology tools. I will collaborate with colleagues to discuss the best AT for students, as well as research the most appropriate and new tools to use to ensure my students' success. I will also respond to students' behavior by focusing on the positive behaviors. I will also react to my students in a positive manner and not a negative manner. As teachers, it is so important to help our students be successful. We can do this by abiding by the laws and following their educational plans, as well as making sure to use assistive technology to help students access the curriculum. Thank you for watching.